Welcome to this TimeStudio tutorial where I'll try to demonstrate the basic functionality of TimeStudio. So first, I start up MATLAB. I go to my TimeStudio folder and start TimeStudio. This is the main window of TimeStudio. It's organized like this. We have a list of subjects or data sets with the data, and we have a list of plugins or algorithms that we will apply to the subjects. So we can just add a few subjects. Now we have 4 data sets in here. We can double click it to get more properties of this. We can set the gender, for example, and the group. And we'll get some feedback on what happened. Next, we want to do something with these data sets, and we can add some plugins here. So when I click the drop-down menu, I get a list of all my plugins that I can use on the data. So I know that this is a eye tracking data file, so I can use the eye tracking read file to get the data into the memory of the computer. So once I select a plugin, you will get a plugin window displaying the different parameters that you can use within this particular plugin. This one seems okay by default because this is a Toby text file, so I just use that one. Now you have the different plugins here, but as an extra functionality you can click on the background and you will get the plugins according to the type of the plugin. So we want to do something else with the eye tracking data. We might want to plot the gaze. This one seems okay too. Now I have some data sets. I have some plugins that I want to apply. So when I click this button, it will start reading the data files, and it will plot my data. So in the menus we have some other things that we can do, like the ordinary stuff, like opening a study, saving it. We can open another workflow from the TimeStudio database using the open uwid command, and we can save this one as well. We have some tools that are useful while you're developing your own plugins. You can add new subjects or remove them, and select subjects depending on their group, so on. We have some functionality for the plugins. You can create new plugins or remove old ones, and you can get some help. So that's the basic functionality of TimeStudio. So next, I suggest that you download and install TimeStudio and use your own datasets here and start building your own workflows.